G'day folks. Wow, it's a beautiful day. I started walking at just on 8:15 and I knew it was going to start warming up, so I thought I'd try and get out here early. I'm on the last bit of downward track to Steamers Beach. I'm in Booderee National Park again, as is my wont. And now the cove is coming in sight. I first came down here, about 5 years ago, and it was just before my third spinal operation. No, it wasn't, sorry. It was a year or so before. But anyway, my back was pretty bad, and when I got here, oh, it's just stunning. I'll show you anyway. There's a sign. When I got here, I looked down at the stairs that go down to the beach. There they are. And I got about halfway down and I just thought, oh, I've got to go back up here. So I turned around and kind of wussed out. But the walk from the car park here at Steamers Beach car park is about 2.5 k's, I think. I'm not sure how that translates into miles. I think it's 1.6 k is a mile, so 1.75 miles or something like that. I'm really bad with numbers. Numerologically dyslexic. So anyway, I was up here, and you can see the beach down there, and I could see the sun was a bit higher, and the water down there was so clear that I could see this school of fish through the water. It was like looking at into an aquarium. It was so clear, and I could see the school of fish with other bigger fish, hunting them and diving in and out of the school. It was amazing. So today, it's significantly post-op of my back, when I got all the metal and stuff put in my lower back. The walk is fairly up and down, and a lot of gravel and stuff. So it's not easy and it is hurting, but I'm going to do it today. Steamers Beach is one of the beaches on the 100 Beach Challenge, which I started doing sort of mid last year, and then they closed this down during the heavy rain period we had and the flooding. I guess the stairs got mightily buggered up. It looks like they've fixed it up really good, because the Steamers Beach was closed for a long time, months. There is another way around. If you go up the track and continue onto Black's Waterhole, there's a fork. I tell you what, I'll walk and talk. There's a left-hand fork, sort of goes southeast. You take that left-hand fork, it goes down through this little plain, sort of like a low basin, and there's a plain, and then you turn north at another sort of little crossroads, cross track, I guess, and that'll take you around the back way into Steamers Beach. I was going to go that way, but I didn't. I actually missed the turn off and got a little bit lost. So I'm going to go down to the beach today, take my photo. I think I'm on about 76 now beaches in the Shoalhaven area. So I've really only got about 24 to go. And that's awesome. Things are open now. Beecroft is open again. Yeah, the flooding caused a lot of damage to tracks and roads, and I guess for safety purposes they shut them down. I was going to count the stairs, but I'll have to do it on the way back up now, because I've been flapping my gums. So I'm on my way down to the beach for the first time. Like I said, it was about 5 years ago that I saw the beach from the top. I got down to about here. I got down to about here and thought, oh nah, I couldn't do it. I was carrying my camera bag and stuff. There it is, as I always do. And my long lens and everything is a couple of kilos worth of stuff as well, hanging around my shoulders, so made it worse. I wasn't all that fit. I'm still not all that fit. But I'm doing it today. It's got a decent little surf break, decent little surf on this sometimes. So you get surfers down here. You gotta be keen. It's a long downward track, and the last bit is very steep. So you want to be reasonably fit. You don't want to have to be in need of a knee replacement or hip replacement or something. You're going to be sorry you came down here. It's just stunning. And from what I can see, I'm the only person down here, which is just how I like it. You get that feeling sometimes in these isolated places that, you know, you're the only person around. It's an ancient feeling. You feel like how the Aboriginals must have felt having this place to themselves. Look at that. It's just stunning. This national park was handed back over to the original owners, the custodians, whatever you want to call it. That was the Jurinja people, Jurinja and Wandian people. Has to speak Dharawal language, Dharawal from up where I'm originally from, south of Sydney, and the Durga languages. So that language group. His hand, I can hear that black cockatoo up there. Beautiful. And it's an absolute credit to them. It's the, I think it's a Jurinja, local Jurinja Land Council, Aboriginal Land Council, that took it over. And oh wow, they've done so many good things with it. It's, you know, they're working in conjunction with some white fellas as well. And there it is. That's Steamers Beach. I'm just going to put this down for a sec. Actually, no, I'll stop filming here. There it is anyway. I'll take another little bit of footage when I actually get down there, but I've got to change lenses and take some stills from up here. Beautiful. Anyway, Steamers Beach in Booderee National Park, which is in New South Wales. It's in the Shoalhaven area. And there's so many beautiful places like this to come and see, and I'm stoked because I've been wanting to come down here and do this for a long time. So I'm going to go down. Looks like there might be a creek too. Go and get some fresh water. All right. Awesome. See ya.